Pumanaw na nga ang founder ng Regal Film na si Lily Monteverde o mas kilalang si Mother Lily. Si Lily Monteverde pumanaw na sa edad na 85. Ito ay kinumpirma ng anak niyang si Goldwyn Monteverde sa GMA News Online. So, ano nga po ba ang talambuhay ni Mother Lily? Siya po ay pinanganak noong August 19, 1938 at pumanaw nitong August 4, 2024. Ang kanya pong nickname o kilalang pangalan ay Mother Lily and typically credited as Lily E. Monteverde, isang Filipina film producer and businesswoman. Monteverde was one of the first Filipino movie producers who produced many local blockbuster films under different genres in the 1970s and 1980s. She produced movies with Alma Moreno, Lorna Tolentino, Maricel Soriano, Snooki Serna, and Dina Bonnevie starring as lead stars during that time. Actually, napakarami nga pong natulungan na mga superstar ngayon itong si Mother Lily. Even Richard Gomez and Aga Mulak careers become bigger in the early 1990s. Isa ang Regal Films sa talaga namang namamayagpag na kilalang mga film producer kung saan kapag sinabing Regal Film, talaga namang napakaganda ng movie. Monteverde had produced nearly 300 films in the Philippines since the early 1960s. She operated Regal Entertainment in the Philippines for many years. The Mano Po Anthology began in 2002 and produced by her filmmaking film, paid travel to her Chinese-Filipino roots and became a hit in various local audiences. In August 1996, she invested much of her substantial wealth into hotels in Quezon City. She opened the Imperial Place or Imperial Palace Suites on the site of an old gasoline station at the corner of Tomas Morato and Timog Avenues in Quezon City. In 2000, she received the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Cine Manila International Film Festival. She also received the Fernando Poe Jr. Lifetime Achievement Award in the 37th Luna Awards in 2019, the Ina ng Pelikulang Pilipino Award in 2017, and the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2023 from the Film Development Council of the Philippines. Grabe! Napakadami nga personal na achievement nitong si Mother Lily. Monteverde was born to Domingo Yu Chu and Profetiza Buban Yu with her siblings, the late Bienvenido Yu. She was the mother of UAAP basketball champion coach Goldwyn Monteverde of UP Fighting Maroons, Rosel Dondon, and Sherida. Her husband, Leonardo Remigi Monteverde, born December 25, 1937, died of pneumonia on July 29, 2024. So, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isang linggo lang ang pagitan matapos pumanaw ang kanyang asawa, ay pumanaw naman si Mother Lily. Yan po ang ating showbiz update. Siyempre, mahigpit na yakap po sa buong pamilya Monteverde. Thank you for watching.